hype is at a weird point. This area right here really looks like this pump right here and this pump right here. It really looks like a weak pump. I think we can definitely short. So here is what I'm planning to do. The first thing I'm planning to do is to have a quick short on hype. Obviously, this video is no financial advice, for around 1%, but it will really depend on where things are going. So short term, I think we dump. And longer term, I also think we dump. I don't think we'll have a huge dump, but I want to warn everyone before this happens. We just need more. Look, high pumps when we have a good environment to do futures, and I just don't think that we have the good environment right now. And I can see that people are getting wicked out in this area right here. So just want to see what kind of hyper liquid hype, what kind of liquidations do we have here on hype? Yep, we do have a massive amount of liquidations above these highs. So above these highs at the $46. So again, I'm going short. This is my price prediction for today. I'll make another one tomorrow. So hit the like button. If you're wondering how I'm up so much on meme coins, how much up so much on a new wallet that I'm building, use the link in the description down below to sign up for my course. I'm updating it with some future stuff, so the price will be going up, so get it while it's cheaper. Also use the link in the description down below to sign up for my signals chat, and also in the link in the description down below I'll have links for BloFin. I'm switching from Mexi to BloFin. There's a user exclusive bonus right now that you can claim up to the 8th of September, $30 plus 50% off your spot fee. Check it out. Live with all my heart. See you next video.